Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today I want to share a new update that has been a long request from you, and is to have multiple choices in a drop-down. This is the no, sorry, here. This is the drop-down. Now you can have this interface, so you can choose one more than one option. This can be, cheese, bacon, uh, pepperoni. So you can add the options you want. The user can choose the multiple options. This only works with the, let's say, the simple drop down. Okay, not with price, not with bookings. Because the variables are going to be much more complicated to manage, because if we have price and you choose two, and then you need to, this can become something a bit more complicated. So for now, we have done it only with the drop down. Okay, with the simple drop down option. You can have this as buttons. You can have this as a table. So you can do this now. So you can have, the user can choose different options for you to work with. So all this is working. All this is in the selection. All this is in the drop down, but you need to choose multiple here, and only works for the drop down. Okay, just to be clear. When you do it, if I choose this and I put my information, everything is going through the everything is going in the message. Everything is going on the webhook. Everything is going on. I mean, everything is working as usual. I mean, you can combine this with a bookings. That's completely fine. No, I mean, you can see here cheese bacon. So we have here the variables. We have here all the information. The lead information also contains all the information from the lead. So it's here. So everything is working, but your users can choose multiple options in a dropdown. Okay, I know this has been a long request, and finally it's done. So hope you like it, and it's here for you. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.